This is the 5th annual HeyKoop car and bike show, though. And I pre-registered, so I'm in the cruise with all these other bikes behind me. The only issue I'm gonna have is there isn't really tail or lead vehicle. There's a tail vehicle that says follow me to a cruise, but otherwise there ain't really shit. Still gonna be a good time though. I forgot to fucking button the saddlebag, so as long as my gloves stay in my pocket, we're gonna be fine. Yeah, we're fine. We're just cruising down to Pier Marquette and back. You're having a good time though. I'm just gonna trust that this black Corvette knows where we're going. Because I mean, I know where I'm going, but do they know where they're going? Ah, we caught up with the Mustang. We also caught up with the rest of the pack. Nice! As they must have waited, which is cool. Yeah, I never carry cash, so I'd rather like prepay the $10 instead of paying $15 at the event, even though it's a good event. So it's all for veterans, you know. Oh hell yeah, old Jeep. Except my carpal tunnel on my pinky is going fucking bonkers right this second. Hell yeah, dude. At least they fixed this road somewhat. Definitely feeling that I need to get some new cams in this. I'm thinking 585 or 625. I don't know. All from SNS though. One day I'll get a Pro Charger Supercharger though. That's like main goal is Supercharger. surprised my uncle isn't in this. Because him and my cousin are like heavy car people and they have cars, so surprised he hasn't got the family out and about with this. See how low I can go without putting my feet down. 4. And then I have to move up for traffic, so I'm going 5 again. I think I can go 3 without putting my feet down. And that's with like a lot of clutch play and a lot of my handlebars doing this shit. That's walking the bike pretty much. Or all hard launching. I can do that. Can be my twin soon. Wow. Come here, I'll do it. They got a trailer on their scooter. Whoa. Nice. It's going to be a long day today. We're doing this, then we're going back towards Muskegon, and then we're gonna sit at a car show for like 3 hours, I think it is. No, 4 hours. It's 10 to 2. This is just like a pre-run that goes until 9:45-ish. And for the record, when I started, it's because they fucking started leaving before they told us, hey, we're leaving. It was just, oh, we're going. Which leads me to believe this is old people ran. Because they just go. They don't tell you shit, they just go. I love it when they get like the older guys that are like heavy gear heads. They're like, oh my god, everything that's loud, I love it. Older gearheads will forever be my favorite because they're just so impressed by everything that's new and they love everything that's old. So like no matter what you have, they're gonna be like, oh yes, it was this and this and this and this, and it's like, whoa, I didn't even know that. Water, look at that, it's water. It's almost like Michigan's fucking surrounded by water. Like, I know you probably don't want to hear all this commentary, but what else am I going to do when the cruise is like, we're at the tail end of it, so there's not like a lot behind us actually. There's a lot of it in front of us, but it's also like grouped out right now. Like I said though, we're following older muscle cars. They ain't going to corner very fast. Because you know I come through here doing like 40. still one-handed though, just to prove that I can do F40. I like giving her hail. Old people by the lake are so nice when they're not at McDonald's or like at the store being Karens. Like when they're just outside their house and they're fine, yeah, they're cool. But when they're like, I need a McDouble now, then it's kind of like, damn, okay, calm down, lady. Jesus Christ, go pretend you're at your house, please. I'm just a fucking 16-year-old making money. Even though I'm 22 and I still work there making like $14 an hour, but whatever, dude. 14 bucks an hour is the only reason why I'm there, dude. I let the bike go, but he's in neutral just chilling, and then the other car would go, so fuck him, bud. Something smells hot. Oh boy. Hopefully it's the car in front of me and not me. Oh, yeah, he's going. I heard it boosted something up there at some point. I think that rat box, I think it's boosted. So I'm gonna give her hell leaving this fucking stop sign. Giving everybody room to get out. Woo! Appreciate good Samaritans like that. I boom a kiss. I try to at least.